Hello, today we are going to find the current in a circuit which has a DC supply connected with a diode. We have a DC supply here and we have a diode and we have a resistor all connected in series. And here I have shown the bulk resistance of the diode. And now we are going to find the current in this circuit, and as all the components are connected in series, so this current is same for all the components in the circuit. Okay, now what we need to do is that we have to replace this diode with a 0.7 volt potential difference and the bulk resistance of 0.23 ohms. Okay, this is ohms. So as we see that the current will flow and the current has to face the 0.9 volt voltage barrier across the diode, and then the diode has a 0.23 ohms bulk resistance, and then we have a 10 ohm resistance all connected in series. Applying the Kirchhoff voltage law, we will apply the KVL, and you can see that here we have the 10 volts minus 0.7 volts, and we have the resistance. So this is the total voltage we have in the circuit, and this is the total resistance in the circuit, and that's how we will get the total current in the circuit, which is, you can see that 0.909 amperes. Now will find the total voltage across this 10 ohm resistance, and how we can do that? We can multiply this current in the circuit times the resistance, and we will get 9.09 volts. We have 9.09 volts across this resistor, and now we find the voltage across the diode. We minus we have 10 volt minus the voltage across the this resistor, and we get 0.91 volts, and this is the voltage across the diode. This can be confirmed from you can see this is the confirmation that we have 0.91 volts across the diode. We have diode 0.7 potential barrier, and we have the current flowing through it 0.909 amperes, and we have the bulk resistance of 0.23, and this gives us the voltage across the diode is equal to 0.91, and you can see that both the voltages are similar, although we have determined them in two different ways. So this is the confirmation. So basically what I'm trying to do is that we can find what I'm trying to tell is that if we have a diode in a circuit with a DC supplies, then we have to replace the diode with 0.9 ohm 0.7 volts and with this bulk resistance, and then by applying the Kirchhoff voltage law we can find the total current in the circuit and the voltage across the diode and the voltage across the load, or you can say this 10 ohm resistance.